Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and removing the Joy-Con. This prevents accidental shorting. Once done, remove the 4 tri-wing screws and gently separate the shell to expose internals. Make sure to disconnect the battery connector immediately so you can work safely. You want clear access to the joystick PCB. This reduces risk and simplifies the next steps. Keep screws organized in order because reassembly depends on returning each screw to its original hole. You should inspect the joystick for dust, hair, or oxidized contacts. Why? Because drift often comes from contamination, not mechanical failure. Next, apply compressed air and a little isopropyl contact cleaner to free gummed residues. Use minimal liquid and let it dry. If the potentiometer shows play or broken tabs, desolder it and solder a compatible replacement, matching orientation and pads. Take your time with steady heat and flux so joints are solid. This prevents shorts and you reattach the battery and carefully reseat any ribbon cables, making sure connectors click into place. This ensures full electrical contact. Once the shell is aligned, reinstall screws in the original order and tighten until snug. Do not strip the plastic. After powering on, pair the Joy-Con and run calibration in system settings to verify axis centering. If you still see drift, try recalibrating after a few minutes. If problems persist, the replacement part or solder joints may need rework.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.